Life is messy. Not everything comes wrapped up in a neat little bow. However, it's a lot easier to manage life when there is structure, a consistent routine, and a good plan. This is where I thrive. This is my disciplined talent, where I instinctively focus on creating order and structure. I am most productive when I feel in control of my environment, when I feel a sense of predictability and organization. Want to put me offside or disengage me? Ask me to fly by the seat of my pants, or to just wing it. I need to be well planned. I need order. Explain the vision and tell me the outcomes we are looking to achieve. Once I have all that information, I'll take the most complex of tasks and identify the steps needed to complete them. There is nothing more satisfying to me than a well-designed spreadsheet. With structure and order comes efficiency and productivity, but just thinking about it doesn't cut it. I'm driven to make it happen, to work the plan and help others stick to it. I love accurate timelines and deadlines, and I'm never afraid to expose areas that are disorganized and unstructured. I believe a disciplined approach to planning leads to higher levels of engagement and better relationships. Not everyone appreciates my need for predictability, structure, and detail. Sometimes I come across as too controlling. I remind myself to explain why my disciplined approach works for me and to help others understand what I'm trying to achieve. I can also get impatient with errors or when the plan is not followed to my standards. Sometimes it's about respecting and acknowledging the results rather than the process in which someone gets there. My disciplined talent means I bring a high level of organization, order, and structure to my work and life. You can count on me to bring detail and precision to anything that I'm involved in, to meet deadlines and to promote efficiency.